Why is my head paining so much? Oh my God. I guess madam has come. Huh? Madam has really come. Madam. 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 Oh. Madam. 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 Madam, please listen to me. Madam.
What?
How come you're suddenly here, madam?
Why? I should not come, huh? Where I should go, where I should not, you'll tell, huh?
Nothing like that, madam. You feel scared to come here, right?
Who told you? Why I'm scared to come to my house? Whatever it is this a bar? What you have drunk and sitting in the hall without even locking the door? What you're thinking, huh? If some robber comes and robs something, what to do?
Oh, is that the case? You're talking as if this is a big Raj Mahal? Who on earth will come to this haunted bungalow?
Shut up.
Madam!
Hello?
Hey Mitra, you only
Tell ya.
Where are you, yeah?
I am in Dream Valley house only.
Again, why did you go there, yeah? If something happens,
Nothing like that will happen. Already somebody is working here. If the devil sees him, devil only will get scared seeing him.
just be little careful, yeah.
I don't have any problem. Will you also come?
I will not come, pa. That day I came, that is only great. I am going to my native. To tell that only I called. Okay, be safe, yeah.
Okay, sure. Take care. Bye.
Okay, bye.
What, sir? What's the matter? You told you'll do something great. And now you're drinking like this.
Ada, I don't drink all day, madam. I was really frustrated yesterday. That's why I drank so much. By the way, who resided in this building previously? And when did you buy this building?
Why? What for?
Arre, it would just help for the investigation.
We bought before 3 months only. We all never stayed over here. Those lovers only died recently.
No, there used to be a family over here.
What you're telling? What's this?
Just take a look, madam. saw them. There was also a 6-year-old girl with them.
Huh? I've already seen this kid before.
What?
True.
What has actually happened here?
Okay, take me immediately over there.
Not now, not now. I'll take you to her afterwards. First, let me go find out things about her parents. Okay? Big brother. Big brother, greetings to you.
Boy.
What's the sudden surprise, brother? I hope you're doing well, brother.
I am amazing. You what, buddy? You went off like that only? Every 1 hour you used to call me, but now not even a single call. What happened to you?
Shouldn't I complete my work with concentration?
Leave all those things. Huh? In this so big bungalow, what's your work, boy? Huh? Huh? Wow.
Brother,
Don't speak anything, boy. I understood everything. Here, you kept a good looking girl here.
brother.
Why will you come there? You kept one girl here in the so big house.
Hey, who are you? Why are you talking so abruptly? Who is this Vicky? Send him immediately outside.
Hello. I have sent him for work. You hypnotized him and you are telling me to go out of the house. Huh? You will be vanished.
What will you do to me? If you talk too much, I will surely kill you.
Come.
Madam,
Let's see. Come.
Brother, one minute. Just
leave
listen
me.
to me, just listen to me,
Leave me,
please.
brother. I will throw her out of the house.
Hey,
Leave
who
me.
are you to send me outside?
me.
You first get lost.
Madam,
Hey,
please,
you don't know
please
about
come
me
in.
and you're
Ma'am,
talking
ma'am,
unnecessarily.
please.
I will show you who I am.
Madam, please.
Huh?
Hey, brother.
Hey, I'll
Brother,
kill you.
please. Brother,
Hey,
please.
leave me,
Come
brother.
with me. Come with
Hey,
me. You come with me.
leave me.
You just come with me. I'll tell you everything.
Huh?
I'll
What
tell you
is
everything.
she?
Please come
She's
with me.
speaking too much. Huh? Acting
come,
like a
please
devil. Huh? If you wouldn't have stopped me now, no,
Come, please.
I will cut her into pieces. Huh? That's all.
Please, brother, please.
I will not leave her.
Okay, come.
No,
come
I
with
will
me,
not
brother.
agree.
Come.
Tell what
Please
you
sit
want
down,
to tell,
please
brother. Tell.
My brother, won't you listen to me?
What, brother? What will you tell? I am not going to leave her in this matter at any cost. She'll cut me, huh? What she'll cut, huh?
Brother, she'll not do anything to you. Please listen to me first.
Tell, brother. Tell. Tell what you want to tell.
Whom do you think this building belongs to? It's hers.
Okay. So what?
She's gonna keep this place for herself.
Hey, if she's selling the building or if she's going to sell to you, what should I tell you? You can't understand?
Brother, please listen to me in the first place. This building has already been bought by someone else. Within a matter of 2 days, we gotta hand over the keys to them. This bungalow is haunted and has ghosts. That's what people say outside. My task is to sleep here and be here and prove that there's no ghost. That is my task.
Ghost? Ah?
Yes, sir. But there seems to be nothing over here at all. So I gotta live here and prove the same to everyone. And she also told that I'll be paid hugely for this work.
Oh, that is the matter. That Chari manager did not tell me anything about it and kept you here. What I should understand? Tell me. Okay, boy. I will also stay here.
Huh?
But I also need money. This matter, you only have to tell her. Tell.
So all this drama was for the money.
What?
Fine, brother. I'll speak to her. But be careful with her, for God's sake. I'll just go outside and come back.
Not able to understand him only. Huh.